So for all you VIP teachers out there who are making YouTube content, the question was posed to me how to use iMovie, either block a student's face or name when you are showing a video from your actual class. So I have a video of my class here. You can see I have my student in there and I want to be able to block out my student's face. So the first thing I'm going to do is select an image to block out their face. I have the VIP Kid like logo and things like that, but I also have Dino. So I'm going to take Dino and drag Dino here into my iMovie workspace. Just so I can easily show this, I'm going to drag it out. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to change this right here. It's going to automatically go to a cutaway. And we are going to change it to a picture in a picture. Now we are going to go up to our cropping tool and fit it. Yes, that looks good. After we have fitted it to our screen, we can go back to the picture in the picture option here and actually place it over the student. You can change the size by dragging the corners out, things like that. You want to drag this to the actual length of your video. And there it will stay unless you need to move it. So if you have a student that moves around a lot, you might have to adjust it. The student that I chose for this video, he does not move around very much, so I can kind of leave it as is and work on it that way.
For more rewards.
And now you have a nice little Dino logo that is over your student's face, and that's how that works. All right, I hope that was helpful. Happy teaching. Thanks for watching. Come on.